This is Wanlainjo initiatives celebrating the Girl Child 2024 today in Government Secondary School Day, Abuja. And Wanlainjo initiative is a non-governmental organization trying to touch the lives of girls and women as much as possible. So today we are teaching them how to make reusable parts that they can use. Of course, it's a life skill. We know that the children in this environment suffer from, what do I call it? You know, they are a bit impoverished, so sometimes they are not able to buy parts to take care of themselves so that they can come to school. And so this is just part of our intervention. We hope we can do this on a larger scale as funding comes for it. We are also asking that you can support us in your own way. We would have loved to have some sort of a workshop or a shop where we will equip with machines. As they learn the skills, they come in there, produce. So we're really happy to see all these girls doing this with their teachers, supporting them. We are very, very excited and we're grateful. We are calling for more support from everywhere in the world. We'll be grateful. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Maria Mohammed. I'm so happy with I'm so happy with the International Girls Club. I'm so happy. My mother will happy too. Thanks.
Do you like your gift?
Yes, I
Will we
like
save
my
some
gift.
money for you?
Yes.
All right. Where's your card? Where's your card? Tell us what this will do for you. Huh?
Alright, I'm happy for this day because it make me more excited. We didn't expect this special visit, but it's good. God bless everyone that contributes in this gift that they are giving us. Thank you.
What will you do with this?
I'll give my sister or my mother because it's expensive in the market, and this is the Girls International Day. I thank everyone for giving us this gift. Thank you.